The Legend Reborn. A legend is about to be redefined. I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we have something that will shake the foundation of the family SUV market. You are looking at the first detailed images of the 2027 Toyota Highlander EV. This isn't just a new engine, it's a completely silent, high-tech evolution. As Toyota gears up for the official world premiere on February 10th, we're getting an exclusive early look at what might be the most important Toyota in a decade. It's big, it's bold, and it's finally going all electric. The Hammerhead aesthetic. Notice the transformation. The 2027 Highlander EV fully embraces Toyota's new Hammerhead design language. The front is sleeker, ditching the traditional grille for a sophisticated, aerodynamic face with a full-width LED signature. Look at the muscular wheel arches and the longer wheelbase. This design isn't just for show, it's optimized to slice through the air, maximizing every kilometer of its range. Even with this futuristic overhaul, it retains that commanding Highlander stance that families across the globe have come to trust. The digital sanctuary inside, the big energy teaser comes to life. The 2027 Highlander EV introduces a massive, landscape-oriented touchscreen that dominates a minimalist dashboard. We see premium sustainable materials, ambient lighting, and, for the first time, what looks like a fully digital cockpit inspired by the latest Lexus TZ prototypes. With 3 rows of seating and a massive panoramic glass roof, Toyota is prioritizing space and light, ensuring that the simply clever spirit lives on in a high-tech, digital sanctuary for up to 8 passengers. Performance. Beyond the 500 kilometers mark, underneath that sculpted body lies the next generation of the e-TNGA platform. While official specs debut in a few days, insiders are pointing toward a dual-motor AWD setup as standard, delivering around 350 horsepower. But the real news is the battery. With a target range of over 500 kilometers, approximate 310 miles, and Toyota's latest fast-charging tech, this SUV is ready to challenge the Kia EV9 and Hyundai Ioniq 9 for the crown of the long-distance family cruiser. The countdown begins. The 2027 Toyota Highlander EV is more than a car. It's Toyota's promise that the electric future doesn't mean sacrificing versatility. The official launch is just around the corner, and the stakes couldn't be higher. What do you think of this electric transformation? Is this your next family car? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Ava. Thank you for watching. Stay smart, stay curious, and as always, blue skies ahead.